and chew it up, so
She is tearing it to Chewy though.
he'll put it in his mouth.
He doesn't want to love. But like Mummy when you try and shove a finger in her mouth.
Especially when it's been...
Gentle.
Good girl. Good girl. Chewy and Gollum.
Where's his tongue? Where's Chewy's tongue?
In his mouth, isn't it, Jessie? It's in
Where's
his
Jess's tongue? Gentle.
Gentle, gentle. Whoop. Good boy, Chew.
She's
It's
way
good.
rougher. You pet Chewy's paw.
You don't pull him. Yeah. Just gently. Just gently. Good girl. But that was good. That's exactly what he should have done. Was
Yeah.
just popped
And
his
then
paw
walk away.
up. Good boy. That's what Ed used to do.
She's
with- Ed used to do that with Cass.
so
There's his bottom end.
You
We won't go poking that.
rough. Look that way, point your finger.
That's my shoe.
You say shoe. It's Auntie's shoe. You're not talking today.
There's my shoes in your
Auntie's shoes. Oh, we're petting Chew's bottom.
His leg, actually. His leg.
Good girl for petting.
Good.
It's not slightly off.
Where's it getting the angle I get that?
Are you going to give him a cuddle?
Let's hope he doesn't pop off.
Are you going to give Chewy a cuddle?
She's standing up holding on to him.
Oh, she's cutting his bottom. Give Chewy a cuddle. He's put his tail down.
To protect himself.
That's right, love.
Darling. Shoes.
Oh, you give Chewy a
He
cuddle.
could walk off.
That's so funny.